Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going somewhere very exciting. We're going to a place called Wirksworth to their Wizarding World event. So it's like a Harry Potter based event, so obviously I'm going. I've got my Gryffindor scarf and then I have a top that says I don't go looking for trouble, trouble usually finds me. It just looks like this. I think it's a pyjama top from Primark, but I don't care. So yeah, I'm going with my mum and dad and I think they have a surprise for me as well, so let's get going. So we're at the train station, so we're going on a steam train like the Hogwarts Express. It is still absolutely chucking it down though, so I will film on my actual phone so you guys can see. So yeah, let's get going. Don't worry, I won't get the Dementor in. Sucking the happiness out of everything. Are you excited, Mum? Yeah. It's so good. Dad's not quite so excited. So we're on the train and it's freezing, isn't it, Mum?
Yep. Really cold.
See your breath. It's like a proper Harry Potter carriage.
Oh, wait. Proper coat in Wirksworth.
Oh.
Why? You're not, as if you've not got enough coats.
Dad's moaning because it's cold.
You've got 25.
Like the kind of weather when the Dementors came.
Yeah. Chocolate, which is 90p, and I've got normal biscuits, which are 60p. So what do you want?
Thanks, Dad.
She needs to say anything from the trolley, doesn't she?
Yeah, she did.
Did she? I didn't say anything from the trolley.
Yeah. So we got some Harry Potter jelly slugs from Trolley Lady. So we made it, and as you can see, it's tipping it down with rain, and my hood is so big. Hold on. So as you can see, it's absolutely tipping it down with rain, but we have made it, and I think we're going to go see the owls. So yeah. So there's some owls and stuff, so let's go check them out. They're really... Hedwig. Shops have like little things in, which is dead cute. Wizard dandruff. Lol. So here is my butterbeer cocktail. It's got rum in it. I'm very excited about this. So after a very soggy day, we're heading back. Yeah, we were going to go on the steam train, but it's too cold. So we're back on this train, which does look like we're straight out of a Harry Potter movie. Yeah, and so we're heading back.
It'd been good if it wasn't cold and wet.
And wet. Guys, obviously as you can see, and I have no makeup on and my hair is like up on my head like an egg. So I thought I would just obviously end the vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing around Wirksworth and the Wizarding Day in Wirksworth. Obviously I didn't actually film that much and we didn't actually get to see much. I actually felt quite sorry for the organisers because the weather was just such a letdown, and I believe last year like it was really busy, so yeah, we didn't actually see much just because it was just too wet and we didn't want to walk anywhere, and my dad's coat was leaking. So yeah, sorry, this light is going to be all a bit annoying. So yeah, obviously he was getting a bit cold, so we ended up coming back on the train. So yeah, the train itself was really fun, but it wasn't actually a steam engine. We thought it was going to be a steam engine, and actually it wasn't, so that was a little bit annoying. Obviously that we'd paid like, I think it was like £18 each return, which it's not, it doesn't sound like much, but it's not that far away from where we live, so it was sort of like a novelty to do the train thing. Oh sorry, let me just sort this. It's a bit better. So yeah, obviously, so it wasn't a steam engine, and that's kind of what we paid for. We didn't realise until the day it was just like those old-fashioned carriages pulled by an electric or diesel train or whatever they are, and it was absolutely freezing on there because apparently they didn't have heating on it, which again was a little bit frustrating when you've paid a little bit extra. But the experience itself was really good. We were going to hop on the steam train, the actual steam train in Wirksworth that goes up to the quarry, but we didn't end up doing that again just because obviously my dad's coat was leaking, my mum was cold as well, so we thought we'll go back. I would like to go again next year, only if it's not raining though, because I feel like we missed out on quite a lot of stuff. I didn't say about the butterbeer, so that butterbeer cocktail was so strong. Honestly, I think it had like rum and some sort of lager type thing in it, and it was so strong, like I could barely drink it, and it kind of split as well. So yeah, it was nice, but I don't think I'd have that again. I tried the butterbeer in the studio tour as well, and I didn't really like that, so maybe it's butterbeer that I don't like. Right, sorry, I've got a dog here next to me. It's not my dog, but I have a dog here. Look at her. She's just been for a little walk, haven't you? And she's tired. We're just dog sitting for a few days whilst Lewis's mum's on holiday. She's so adorable. So yeah, this is actually the 2 days after the event. So yeah, look at her little face. Ruby, Ruby. Oh, I wish I could keep her. She's like my little buddy. Yeah. You're tired, aren't you? You're tired. Sorry, I could sit and talk to her all day. Oh my god, this light is really doing my head in. There, I think that's, oh no, that's too bright. What is going on? So I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. I have included it in my Halloween series this year. I know it's like not a Halloween-y kind of video, but it is, you know, still Harry Potter, which is Halloween-y to me. Like, you know, if I'm gonna think of Harry Potter, I'll probably think of Halloween. I'm sorry I'm really overexposed, it's just that the sun keeps going in and out, it's just one of those days. Get ready for tomorrow's video. It's going to be me reacting to my first ever video, and it's so embarrassing, honestly. Like, that video is just the worst video I think is on YouTube. Like, I'm not going to delete it because it's my first video, and you know, we all have to start somewhere. I'm gonna now edit this video and get it uploaded for you guys. I'm gonna play with this one. Aren't I? Huh? Are you gonna have a little play? Oh no, you're just too tired, aren't you? So yeah, that's what I'm doing for the rest of the day, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Bye!